when I'm broke or when I'm filthy fucking rich. And I admit, when the time is right, the one.
I don't slang up bang, I just smoke motherfuckers like it ain't no thing.
So yeah, got some subscribers that came out. They're like, oh, you guys gonna put me on fucking film? Flying my drone out here in Canyon Lake. So we all drove out here and they've never been to Canyon Lake. They came from Florida. Well, we got a Pennsylvania all over. So they're enjoying Arizona. What do you guys think of Arizona? You guys like it?
Yeah. Phenomenal.
Isn't it? So I got the old drone up, out here playing around with it. Let's see. Let's go over here actually. Let's get a group shot right here. Alright, so we got a little group shot of everyone right here with the little drone. Looking just like this. So yeah, anyone that wants to reach out to me that watches my YouTube, hell yeah, I'll take you guys out and show you what these roads are like. So it's Daryl, isn't it, right?
Yeah, Daryl.
Yeah, Daryl reached out. He's from these guys all work at Volvo. Wow.
Yeah,
we're going to school for Volvo.
We're getting certified. All paid for, so you know we don't got to worry about it.
So he's from actual Florida, and I used to live in Florida, so I didn't know Arizona looks like this either.
Oh, dude.
And once you see it,
the roads are way better. The mountains are way better.
It's awesome out here.
Everything's just way better here to drive at least, and the car community is awesome too. People are just super nice.
I would agree.
The car community. Yeah, the car community is super nice.
It's like the best out here in Arizona, I think so.
You got all sorts of guys, different muscle guys.
What is?
Guys.
Jersey's takeovers.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like takeovers.
It's cold over in Jersey. That's kind of like Ohio car scene, you know what I mean? Well, there's just, it's easier to keep your car clean here because of the weather, so that's why there's just so many car guys that come. It doesn't rain.
It just rained the other day, the first time for like 3 weeks. And the hood exits. A lot of hood exits. Yeah, a lot of hood exits too.
What's a hood exit?
Oh, hood exit's like the exhaust is coming out the hood. Yeah, crazy. A lot of people do that out here because it doesn't rain and like it's easy.
Right.
You just weld the pipe going up.
Plus, it cools the car a lot more.
Yeah, it's nice. A lot of gas.
Alright, so Daryl, what do you think of this?
Oh, I love this thing, man. One of my favorite cars. And it's awesome to drive it, so.
So what happened is Daryl lives in Florida, and he's out here because he's got an event for Volvo. I guess you guys you work at Volvo, but
yeah, we're getting master certified. We're taking all the classes in the online. We're going in person, so they got online modules and we got in-person lessons, and they just give us the certifications to be ready to work in the field for their dealerships and their cars.
Gotcha.
And so it's all, you know, it's all. We're just getting certified for them, you know. That's what good grades get you. So
yeah,
you know, just go out there and work. And being out here gives me the chance to do awesome stuff like this too. Meet nice people.
Yeah, so he's from Florida, and since I used to live in Tampa, but hey man, he reached out and he's like, dude, I'm gonna see if I would hang out, and of course I would. So if anyone's out in Phoenix and you guys want to check out Canyon Lake, feel free to message me. But yeah.
Hell yeah.
So I'm not gonna let everyone drive my car. I let him pass. So.
Well, it's a little different.
He's pretty good, so.
I have one of these, not stick shift, but.
Right.
Driving stick's not hard if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Sadly, it's a rare feat nowadays.
It is.